Hey, hello, good morning, everyone. This is me, Jey Ganesan from SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning. So today's topic, how to build dynamic dashboard using Excel, filter, sort, unique, and lambda function. So these are some of the advanced functions which we have seen yesterday. So if you guys have not watched yesterday's session, I will leave the card on the top. Please pick up the card and then completely go through with the yesterday's topic, because we are continuing the session after all the advanced functions have been seen. Using the functions, we are going to build the dashboard and we are going to find the KPI for total salary for all the filtered employees, right? So employee table we have created yesterday. We will be continuing with that. So stay tuned, guys. It is going to be interesting. So without any pivot tables, we are going to build the live dashboard. Okay, so it will be a interactive live tables with live KPIs. So if the table is being adjusted, you will also get the data updated. So how to get that? With zero pivot tables and zero macros and zero refresh. So all you have to do is create the list and then select from the list. Your dashboard is ready. Right, so that is what today we are going to see. So stay tuned, guys. If you guys have not subscribed and watching this channel for the first time, please do subscribe so that you will not miss out any kind of important topics like building a KPI and the dashboards. And we will see in practical how we can able to achieve it by keeping the employee table as the reference. Let us get it started, guys.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to see how to build a live dashboard and using filters and sort from the live tables. And yesterday we have seen the live data set from your employee table, right? So employee table, we have created the dynamic data for your sort, filter, unique, choose call, and multiple details for filters, let, lambda, and the unique we have seen, right? So by using this, we are going to build the live dashboard today. So how we can able to achieve it, that is what I am going to show it to you today. Okay, so for the dashboard today we are going to use three concepts with the same data I have taken. So we are going to use the unique and also drop down for lambda. We are going to use filter and sort for live data. Okay, so we are going to take the filters and then sort from your live database, that is your table, employee table, and then we are going to get the drop downs, what it has to come in the KPIs by using unique filters. Okay, so unique we will take it, so it will bring the distinct value. Okay, lambda, which will create as a reusable logic, so which will help us to uh, uh, put it into a reusable content in our dashboard. Okay, so let us get started, guys. So what we have done, we have used the unique formula, and then we have identified the department. So department of unique will provide you the distinct value of department from your data set, right? So here is your data set, this is your department. So how we achieve it, because we named the table using employee table, right? So yesterday's topic is very important to continue with the today's dynamic dashboard. So please, if you have not gone through yesterday's topic, go ahead and then review it. I have provided the card in the beginning, which will be helping you to catch the yesterday's topic. Okay. So now we will get the location. Okay, so how did I get the location? Because I have used the formula of location. So employee table is our data set, the table name, and then location is our location here. So what I have got the department location, then we will get the skills. Now we have a data here. So how do we get it from a list, right? We need a drop down because our objective is to select the department. So how do we will achieve it? We will go to the data. In the data ribbon we have a data validation. So in the data validation we will choose list. Okay, so source, what we are going to choose, we are going to choose it from E2. Okay, so click apply. Now let us select the skills here. So how I am bringing the skills? Look at here, guys. We will use the skill, okay, from the employee table. So these are the unique skills belongs to the employee table. So I will show you the skill here. So where is the skill? Here it is. So here also we will be getting all the skills which is been repeated will be removed, and what is the unique, that is what we will be bringing it here. Now we have the data what is being populated for this details. Now this is dynamic actually. So what we have to do, we have to bring this value as a selection. So how do we will bring it? We can go select the adjacent cell and then click data validation. Okay, so here we will choose it as a list. Okay, and source from. Okay, so we have selected the E directly. So what we will get it? We will get the drop down of E. Okay, now look at here. So we got the drop down. Okay, so which one we have to select it? We will be able to select it. The similar fashion we will be able to apply it for, and this is what, this is a location. So location is where we are having it in this field. So we got the location. Now what we have to select? We have to select the skill set. The same way we will do the data validation. So skill set, we will select it. Okay, so you got the skill set also. If you see like I don't want to see this, you can hide this. Okay, so this will be like also dynamic because we have completely selected the column. So in case of anything is being added, so that the formula will be further taken care and it will be bringing it here, right? So now if you don't want to see this, we can able to hide E to G. So now you see here we have a selection, we have a background which is building our data set, and we have a list which we have built for select department and then select location and select skills. Okay, so we can able to highlight this. Okay, so we have a selections here. So based on that we have created the unique value. Okay, now let us see what next. Okay, so now we will see how to create a live data table. Okay, so what we are using from the employee table, using a department which will be giving us a department as C2 and location as a C3 and then skill as your C4. So with this we are asking it to filter the employee table. If this is been found, those data will be found here. If it is not been with the selection criteria, it has to bring the no data found. Okay. Okay, so we have bought a dynamic data which can able to get us the result, right? So if I'm going to different platform, then automatically this gets adjusted because our course is with respect to the selection of all three, right? So there is no data based on this. So when you want to add a sorting, so what I have used, I have used a sort of filter. So filter I am using by highest paid salary. Okay, why it is? Because ninth is your salary cell. I will show you guys. So what is 9? 9 is your salary here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So salary. So yesterday only we have seen the sorting. Okay, so I am showing you yesterday's content. So we have arranged the sorting by the highest paid salary and from the highest to the lowest, right? That's how we achieve this sorting. So with our required filter, based on the filter, okay, so we have bought across who is the highest paid salary and then we have rearranged using the sort function. So how did we achieve it? So we have used sort and then we have added the filter to this by what? By salary, by with the highest paid in the first. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to create a custom KPI and a formula creation. So for which we will go to the formula in the ribbon and in that we will be having a name manager. So we are going to choose the name manager. Automatically our table is created from the dataset worksheet. So here is our dataset and the table has been identified. So we are going to create a new named formula. Okay, so what we will be creating? We will be creating a total salary. Okay, so refers to I'm using a lambda function with the data sum of choose calls of data 9. So yesterday we have seen this, it will provide you the total sum of the value. So let us see how it works. So we have created a total salary. Okay, so total salary as lambda function which we have created. We will see how we can able to use this. So watch carefully, guys. So we have created a formula for our custom formula as a total salary. Let us see how we can able to use this. Okay. So total equal to, okay. So we will use this formula and then we will refer to the A7 cell because A7 is the place where we have created the filter. So A7, when I am choosing it, so it will get us the formula of this particular live data table. Okay, so that is your 1,73,000. See here, if you choose this, you will get 1,73,000, right? So that is what we have got it using a total salary. So how we have arranged, we have created a custom mode formula that is total salary. So how did we arrange? I will zoom it for you guys carefully here. So how we have bought the total salary, because total salary is the one which is being created by your name manager. So name manager is the something place where you can able to create a custom formula here, right? So how we have achieved, we have created a new and we have used a lambda function where we have used the choose calls and we have created the formula. So yesterday's topic choose calls, I will show you little bit for your glimpse. Okay, just a moment. Similarly, we have built the custom formula for your total salary. Okay, so that we have achieved it by using a lambda function. So to get the top performer of this selection, so how we can able to find it, I'll show you guys. So what function we have used? We have used a sort and of A7 where minus 10 of 10. Okay, so here what is A7? A7 is your data set what we have selected, and in that 10 is the record which we have chosen. So what is 10 here? That is your the performance rating. So in that we have asked it to arrange it from the highest performance. So what we will get it in the filter based on the selection filter, and you will get the top performer in the top, right? So we have found the, so what we have achieved, we have created a filter by using an unique feature. So unique we have used to get the data filtered for department, location, skills, and then we have select the filter. From there we have used a filter command and then get all the data by using a three combination of the filter, that is your department, location, and skill. Okay, so from this we have arranged it sorting using the who is the highest paid salary and the total salary by using by creating a separate formula by providing you a named manager formula, and then we have also found who is your top performer of this. Okay, so by using your take and sort functions with the top performance key matrix, right? So we have identified the top performer also by using the key matrix. So we have asked it to bring the top five performer, but perhaps our result has been brought only the two records. So we have only two records in place. But when we have a more data sets, you can able to identify more details. Okay, so we can able to filter with multiple details and then check how the data will be changing. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is informative for you. So we have achieved a live dashboard key matrices and KPI terms by using creating a named manager formula, and also we have created a live data table by using a filters. So if you found this to be useful, please leave me a like and share it with your friends and colleagues, and do follow me on my Facebook SphereSkill and our YouTube channel GV Systems. I will see you soon in a next interesting topic by tomorrow. Until then, this is Jey Ganesan signing off for today. Thank you everyone. I wish you all a good day ahead. See you then.